Do you scroll social media? But what if I tell you that you can improve your English through such activities? No extra time, no grammar books, just your phone and the right methods. So, hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my English speaking journey. And this is Pragati Mishra with my day 23 journey. And hope you are doing good and keep being going. And today I'm going to talk about something very real. We all scroll social medias like Instagram, YouTube's, Facebook's, every time, so many times of day we spend on such things. And without learning anything, we just spend continuously our, you can say we waste our time. But what if I tell you the methods which through which you can improve your English while using social media? So hey my dear friends, I will tell you some methods. Please carefully listen it if you want to utilize your time smartly. So let's talk about the methods which help us to use our time smartly while scrolling or while using social medias. So method number one, that when you see or watch any video, just go to their comment section and read at least 5 comment sections. And of course, those comments should be in English, or that video is in English. So read the at least 5 to 10 comments in English and carefully notice the natural expressions of the writer, what he wants to convey or how he naturally expresses themselves in comment sections. So this was method number one, which help you to think naturally. Method number two is that when you watch any short video or reel, carefully listen their pronunciations with tone. Yes, pronunciation so many times help us a lot, and repeat them loudly in a manner that you are saying that. Okay, so this was method number two, is to repeat loudly whatever you like, those words which you feel that it is hard or it may be useful to us. Through such things, improvement in fluency occurs. And we having a goal that fluency should be there in our speaking. So for fluency, it is one of the best method. Method number three is take a screenshot of those words which are useful to you or which make sense to you. By doing so, you can practice so much vocabularies which may help you while speaking English. Of course, it will help you when you take screenshot, and sometime while going through your photo section, you can watch them. And the method number four, it is very important in a way that you can think in English. For example, if you're watching continuously in English, your feed is in English mode, it means your algorithm is changed. Now you had started thinking English, always listening English things. So whenever you are scrolling, just go to just change your mode in English. It will of course help you to think in English directly without any confusions, because we want to complete our interesting things in English. And the method number last, that is 5, which is very important, that write at least one comment in every video whatever you see. Maybe the comment is simpler in simpler English, and maybe it is short, but please write, for example, this video is helpful, or practice makes perfect, or confidence is improving, such sentences. You can start with such sentences. So start writing one comment in every English videos whatever you see in a day. My dear friends, earlier I used to think that speaking English needs hours of studies, but now I realize that it is not like that. And if you start speaking, just improve yourself and try to follow these methods which are actually helpful. Actually, whatever the method I used, I shared with you, and these methods are actually useful. Even 20 minutes of smart scrolling can change you, can improve you. The phone which you thought it is a distraction, use it as a tool to improve your speaking English speaking journey. So hey my dear friends, this was for day 23, and of course start from this video. You can comment anything which whatever comes in your mind, but it should be in English. So hey my dear friends, this was for today's video, and we will meet soon in my upcoming video. Till then, happy learning. Take care. Bye bye.